Hello YouTube. This video is a very quick video showing how to back up your WordPress website. So go to plugins. Once you've logged into the dashboard, go to add new plugin. Over here, all-in-one for all-in-one migration. There are many different plugins. This is just one option that's very quick, very simple, and straight to your desktop. So activating this now. There are other plugins where you can set up automatic monthly backups to external storage drives, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. This one is very simple for those who don't want anything too complicated. Okay, so now we have this plugin. We just come down here. It's very simple. We go to export, and then from here, if we had the premium version of this plugin, we could export to one of these external drives. For example, Google Drive. Google Drive, I think, gives about 15 gigabytes free storage, so this is a great option. And then just doing this once a month. But we don't have the premium version, and that's not what this tutorial is about. So just export here, and then export to file. Okay, then you'll see it populating here. And then once it's finished populating, it'll say download. You click download. Once it's downloaded and the download is complete without any failure notices, then you are done and you are set. Okay, so here, export to file, then it'll populate, download, and then you'll see it here on the desktop. It's that simple.